How to download and install the Agoda app. First of all, open the Play Store on your device. Then tap on the search button at the bottom right of the screen and in the search bar, type Agoda. Look for the app developed by Agoda.com, then tap on it to go to the details page. On the details page, hit the install button to start downloading the app. Once the download is complete, open the app to begin the setup process. You may need to allow permissions such as location access, notifications, and storage. These permissions help the app provide accurate hotel suggestions, manage your bookings, and send important updates. Simply tap Allow to continue. After that, open the app and either sign in with your existing account or create a new account. Once signed in, you can browse hotels, compare prices, and even explore exclusive deals in different cities. Now you know how to download and install the Agoda app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.